How to transfer from PayPal to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send your transfer or how you can transfer your crypto Bitcoin PayPal to Binance. Now the process is quite simple, but I'll just be guiding you here since I won't be able to show you particularly. Now you want to open up your PayPal, log into your account, and then you want to find your crypto balance there, and once you want to tap on it, you'll get the option to transfer there. You can find the option to buy, sell, and there you'll find the transfer option as well. Simply tap on the transfer option that you get on the screen. Now you want to head into your finances options or your crypto options, and you want to select the Bitcoin option, or you want to select the currency that you want to send to or transfer to your Binance from your PayPal. And once you do so, you want to select the transfer option, and once you select the transfer option, it'll give you two different options to send and to receive. Simply tap on the send option on your PayPal. Now once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on the search bar. You'll get the search bar there. Once you tap the search bar, you want to head back to your Binance application, and on your Binance what you want to do is you want to head into your wallet option, and on your wallet option what you want to do is you want to select the currency that you want to receive from PayPal. Now if you want to receive the Bitcoin, you want to head into the Bitcoin option, and you want to tap on the share address option there. And once you tap on share address, after you tap on receive option there, you'll get the QR code or the link there to your Bitcoin wallet address, and you want to share that link to your PayPal, and on the search bar you want to search in that link, and once you do so, there you'll be able to send the money or send the PayPal balance to your Binance. So this way you can transfer your crypto Bitcoin from PayPal to Binance. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.